Okay, here.
Can I get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, this is Petergaming here. We're gonna watch the fireworks, which is on. Okay, guys. Hello, guys. This is my mountain. Need to go back. I'm falling from the mountain. How to climb in my mountain? Let's go. It was kind of short. Okay, guys.
Okay, so now you're gonna... Okay, guys, so we're gonna go home and we'll discuss this.
Okay, but when we go to sleep, we're gonna stop recording.
Okay, so let's pause the video.
No, maybe not.
Pause the video.
No. Okay, I want.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
Pause it.
Hey.
¿Todo está bien?
Yes, Dad.
Sí, vinimos en un buen lugar.
Pero ya no es como otra.
I'm very sweaty, guys.
Sí, allá vamos a quemar allá.
We might do it again.
I was tired to go in the mountain.
If you saw the last video, there was.
You need to go in the mountain. You're gonna be tired.
Hey guys. Shush, Juliana Gaming. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. If you saw the last video, it was y'all are gonna see more fireworks action, more action of the fireworks. But right here, no. In this episode, we're not doing a lot of recording.
Yep.
Okay, so pause this video and we'll discuss this at home. So
Yeah, okay.
We'll be right
Oh,
back.
hey, I saw some fireworks action.
Oh,
There's some more.
Oh, yeah, can't see it, guys.
You can't see
Oh, sorry.
it.
Oh.
We can see it because we do the video, but we need to see a lot of them.
Okay, I'm sweaty. Look. Can you see me? No. Okay, because
This is dark.
okay. So you keep talking and I'll just stay home.
okay, guys, we're going home. Oh, we're almost close here.
Yeah, we are.
For my dad's name.
Buckle up, kid.
Okay, guys.
Hey, let's block.
For our dad's name. What should we call him?
I don't know.
Gaming something. Something
Que
gaming.
porque no podemos subir bien porque está de noche.
Oh wait.
Podemos
No, we're gonna pause this video. We're gonna pause this video. It's getting a lot of. Well, maybe not.
Well,
We're not.
Yes, we are.
We're not.
Hay una puerta que no está cerrada, muchacha.
It's not. It is.
No, la luz, las freneras, güey. Apaga la luz, tu puta madre.
Okay, we're gonna turn off the lights.
No me veo mañana.
Okay, so we'll pause this video because there's a little bit of fighting.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Hey. Are you buckled up?
Okay. So I'm gonna pause it and
Okay.
Ajá, porque duerme.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that was a little. Well, we stopped the fighting, but y'all can't see that I'm sweating.
Yeah.
oh, I thought I was talking fireworks.
Oh, good.
I saw them.
Good.
I didn't have anything. You can't see my hand.
Y'all can't see Juliana's hand.
Yeah. I guess it's dark.
Y'all should give this a thumbs up. Well, y'all can't see it. Cause
Yeah,
I was
up.
up.
I just told you thumbs up.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Well, we're being YouTubers now,
Yeah.
but it's if y'all see it, the name of this channel is Minecraft Gamer and Petergaming.
But instead of the G, because I forgot the G,
Yeah,
They were the-
gaming.
but they were distracting me.
And
So I put Minecraft Gamer and Peter Gaming.
instead of
So how am I gonna write it? So make sure you stay put on that, and you can watch our channel.
Yep.
And please share with your friends our channel.
Yep. If y'all like this video, you're gonna see the fireworks action.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs up for this video. A thumbs
Yeah.
up will work.
Oh, now, you're not gonna
Can
do
y'all see my
thumbs
face?
up.
Okay, Henry.
Now your face is dark. Because it's dark.
Yes,
Henry.
Minecraft gamer.
So now we're gonna pause this video. Oh no!
No, we're not.
Why am I saying a lot of pause this video? What the heck?
A lot of pausing.
Yeah, we
Like-
always gonna say that. Just
Okay, guys, this is.
Okay,
Wow,
so
this
I'm
is
gonna hold the
awesome.
camera if I see some fireworks.
Okay, Minecraft gamer. Hold the camera.
but I think. Well, I like a lot of action. I like action. Yeah, we like action. We're going close to the house.
We're close to the house.
Maybe not close in the house, action.
We'll call our dad and we're gaming.
Nah, he's not a gaming.
Casey, I don't know.
Well, what the
He's-
heck?
A duck.
No, dog.
You don't know that. You don't know how.
Maybe
what he's
kitty, kitty.
saying. What he's saying, I don't know what he's saying.
I like a kitty, kitty. I don't know.
You like kittens?
Probably just my dad is joking that we're not going to home, but we are.
Hey guys, can I hold the camera now?
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow, maybe.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna pause this
Maybe
video
fix
here.
the
We're
one.
gonna go
Why?
home.
Why
So we're
always
gonna fix the
pausing?
car. No.
Always pausing.
Jada. Me tomorrow look for one dog, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna have to pause because
Need one dog or no?
we need to do something very important.
What
Okay.
is it?
Well, we're gonna have to go buy something. Okay.
Okay.
Why?
We'll see you later.
Okay, guys.
We
Okay,
saw
guys.
some firework action.
And we missed it
Yeah, you
because of me.
you didn't say.
Here, we're not gonna discuss things at home. So actually, we're back from the store.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's some.
Oh my god.
But that was late.
Oh man.
Call me Petergaming.
Petergaming, you're doing it wrong.
Yeah, okay.
You always do things wrong. What's wrong?
Wrong.
2 times wrong.
Yeah, it's Petergaming. Or I'll call you.
Está buscando dinero. No sé si le quede viendo.
Okay. So maybe we could see some fireworks at the way home.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the way home is gonna be that way, but
Llegaron unos en el parqueadero.
This is awesome.
No, le dije.
It's awesome. Awesome.
look, I want to tell you something. Look, my dad always steals some money from us. And I get, no.
So,
Mm-hmm. We're back.
Get back to
Yeah.
home.
We're back in our house.
I'm tired.
It's gonna be a long day. A very long day.
It was nighttime. And we didn't
We-
go daytime.
First it was daytime, and then now
it's
night.
nighttime.
Now it's
Then
night.
we're already going nighttime.
What was that?
Whoa.
Oh my god! Firework.
Another one.
Well, okay.
Come on.
We'll get out. When we get in there.
That way.
Wait, what?
No open door, okay? Okay, kitties.
Kids.
Cats, not kitties.
Kitties are kittens.
Yeah. Big cat?
Or kittens?
Yeah.
No.
No. We're
Fireworks.
peasants.
Okay, they're gonna be fireworks.
No.
Let's go.
Oh, me big dog.
I missed it too. Oh, you hit me. You
I
just
missed it.
punched
No, I don't
me.
know.
Ow.
was going that way.
Ah, no, it's like that.
What do you say?
Nothing, Juliana Gaming. You can't see
I
your
was
face.
saying. I'm sticking them in the finger.
Oh my! You just said that.
Yeah, because you say, Nana, you too.
Ow!
Going, stand you. And don't go escaping. Please don't escape.
You're listo para la...
I know what is a truth.
Oh, what the heck was that?
Wow, I need to go and see.
Get down and check them out.
Okay, guys, we are gonna end it in our bed. It's gonna be a little prank. It's gonna be a little prank on Minecraft Gamer. Okay, I wanna make a shot of the fireworks. Make a shot of the fireworks, guys. Are you ready for the fireworks? Okay, where is it? Oh, yeah.
We're doing the house.
Hey guys, give us a thumbs up for this guy. For this, guys. Hey, can you see my face?
No, it's still dark.
Hey, Minecraft Gamer.
See it?
Hey, Minecraft Gamer. Can you see my
dark.
face? Can you see my face?
Yeah, we only can see him. That's all.
Hey, Minecraft Gamer, can you see me? Can you see? Like, can ya?
I can see your face, but
Hey, can ya see me?
Yeah, they can see all right.
we will.
Oh, guys, y'all should give this a thumbs up.
Yeah.
For instead we don't have 5 subscribers anymore. We have 7 now.
Yeah, 7.
So fast, guys. This is amazing. Thank you for all the support. Y'all been doing very good. And
Yeah, he's gonna laugh.
this was
Don't laugh.
amazing.
You baby, you're
for
baby.
the fireworks and everything.
Yeah, he's
Okay, bye-bye.